I am not a bookkeeper.
And so I put the QuickBooks on the computer and I just basically followed all the prompts.
A community college here had a course.
When I started, I didn't know for sure if I was doing it right or not.
It's like they show you these videos. Let's start here. And they tell you, click this, click that, click this, click that. Why am I clicking on that?
After a year of doing that and still not feeling like I'd been trained the way I was told I would be trained.
There's just some people you don't mesh with and you don't understand how they teach and it just doesn't work. I had somebody come in and sit with me and I knew right away it wasn't going to work.
I had nightmares about putting numbers in wrong places. I had nightmares of adding rather than subtracting, and it was truly the most stressful experience.
And I was like, I'm going to drown.
There were times where I'm like, I just don't quite understand what I'm doing.
Is this really the right way to do it? Is this the most efficient way? Is this the best way?
QuickBooks is easier than you think if you have someone that will walk you through the process.
Then one day I ran across Candus Confidence with QuickBooks, and I looked at one video and I said, that one sounds pretty interesting, and she sounds very uplifting.
I looked you up on the internet. I started watching your videos. And then when I seen Confidence with QuickBooks, I was like, what is this? And so I started doing my research and I was like, I'm going to dive in. I have nothing to lose at this point.
And when I found yours, you're so friendly and so down to earth.
God, I totally get what she's doing. I like how she speaks to the audience.
I just wrote little notes. And I kept you up on one of my screens in case I had to go back to you for help.
I like how you have it broken up so that I can go back and just look at specific things too that apply to me.
It's just been that resource in my back pocket that I really need to be able to do with QuickBooks and keep moving.
And you make it so much less stressful.
You were like, no, this is what you do. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you don't understand what I said, go back to step 1 and start over. You didn't just say, just watch the video. You were like, start back at step 1.
And experiencing that convinced me to do the whole course.
And I was like, oh, okay, another course. When should I take it? And I was thinking maybe not. It was almost tax season and I'm going to be really busy. And I just thought about it and then the light bulb came on and it's like confidence. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, to have confidence when I'm using QuickBooks.
I get this little note saying, we're going to start up the class if you want to join. Man, I think I was probably the first one.
It's been a lot more helpful than I expected it to be.
And then you end up surprising yourself by learning so much more.
I would suggest if someone is starting and they didn't have the guidance of an accountant or someone,
I would tell that individual to sign up. It's worth every penny.
Definitely think it's beneficial.
Your classes have been great. And I love your spirit. I just love your attitude.
You really enjoy what you do. And that's something that you cannot fake.
And I honestly don't think that I would be where I am. I was a day or two away from quitting my job when I found you. And I don't know that I would still be working here had I not clicked on your YouTube. Okay, I'll try one more YouTube video and see if I can finally get it through my thick skull. So I honestly don't know if I would still be here had I not found you, Candace. Thank you. Truly from the bottom of my heart.
And so I thank God that I found you.